Yo, what's going on, guys? I always forget, like, I'm not even fucking joking. Welcome to day number 39, guys, of my day trading journey. If you haven't watched the previous videos, I'm not trading on a funded account right now because I did lose my funded account, but I didn't lose it by making stupid mistakes. I lost it because I went on a losing streak, and literally I told myself that's the only way I'm going to lose it because I'm done breaking my rules, right? I'm trading on just like paper trading on TradingView right now because I don't even have the practice account on TopStepX since like I passed the combine. So I do have a pending combine, which I passed. I still got to pay the activation fee, but that's a funded account that I already had, but I'm not going to trade till Monday if the market's open Monday. I don't know why it wouldn't be, but I didn't know the markets was going to be closed tomorrow, so whatever. Yeah, guys, so like I said in my previous videos, the thing that I've been struggling with the most is actually taking profit, and not necessarily taking profit, but taking profit. So a lot of my trades, I do mark out like 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and like honestly, I've been trading the wrong way, or like I've been jumping into trades early. I haven't been patient, making a lot of small but easy to fix mistakes, which is what I've been working on. So I took a paper trade like yesterday, today, whatever. There's one I haven't journaled yet, but I'm going to journal it after this video. But I'm going to show you guys the 2 trades that I took so far, which I journaled. Or I think it's been 3, actually. So I'll show you guys the most recent trade that I took, which is this one. So this is on the S&P. Yes. Let me go on the... we can send the 1 minute. So we broke structure back to the upside. We inverse this gap, okay, let's just start from the beginning. Let's see, which one's for today? This is for today. So this is the trade, right? And let me just read you guys what I wrote. Okay, before I get into explaining this trade, it was not a good trade. Why? Because when I looked at the daily, 4-hour, 1-hour, and the 15-minute time frame, we were bearish, and I completely disregarded that. So this trade, I say, is not valid unless we want to count my impatience as a clear factor here. Well, I don't know if I would consider it impatience because I did wait for macro. I had confluences, but the point is that I was trading in the wrong direction. We broke structure on the 5-minute and 1 minute, but the price action was not good. The point where I took the trade was also a 5-minute fair value gap getting respected, but that's not the point. Yes, I had good confluences and good conviction, but I was not trading my plan. I didn't apply my bias, which is a mistake that I rarely make but have been doing recently. Feels like when I'm really focused on making sure I have proper confluences, I tend to ignore some things that seem discretionary when in reality they're like really crucial. This trade basically went straight to my stop loss, and I see why. This is the trade I took right here. Let me see if I still have it marked out. I think this was on NQ. Yeah, it was on NQ. So it was right here. My bias was bearish. I don't know why I was going bullish. Literally all the time frames show bearish bias. I don't know why I didn't even think about that. The reason I took this trade was because we inversed this gap, and then we had this other gap, right? This is when I took this trade. So we inversed this gap, made another gap. We broke structure right here at this line, and I took the trade straight to my stop loss. It would have been a better entry if I waited for this imbalance to be filled, or at least like touched in a way, not in a weird way. All right, why'd I say that? Okay, this is the second trade that I took today, which is right here. Is it right here? Yeah, it's right here. Okay, fuck. Yeah, guys, I watch FaZe Rug. I've been watching FaZe Rug since he was at 15,000 subscribers, bro. He follows me on Twitter too. He never replies to my DMs though. This was literally right after I got stopped out on that other trade. So once I actually took a look at the bias and determined that we were bearish, I was already looking for confluences on ES or NQ. We broke structure back to the downside. We did make an order block too, but I did make the mistake again of not waiting and entering early. So my entry was bad, but the idea was good. Also, that stop I set, why there? I should have set it at the wick of that previous candle, or even above that a little bit. So yeah, I got stopped out right away, and we went straight to my TP, which was the Asia low. So look, guys, you see my stop loss right here? Why did I set it here? Like, yes, above that fair value gap, but no, bro. Like, I never do that. I always set it right here. I always set it at a wick, either like right here, or if it would have been right here, on this previous trade. But look, if I just would have put my stop loss where I usually put it, I would have still been in this trade and eventually hit my take profit right there, which would, I was literally just looking for a 1-to-1 at the Asia lows, but we did come take them out and come back up, and that's when I took this trade that I showed you guys first on ES though. Yeah, guys. So that's all I have for right now. But like I showed in my video yesterday, I have my strategy here, which what I've been doing is when I'm in a trade or when I'm looking to get into a trade, I check it off. Okay, are we at a key level? Yes, check it off. Is it macro time or my time to trade? Okay, check it off. Is price at a key level? Okay, check it off. Did we have a confirmation on the 5-minute time frame, whether that's SMT, breaker structure, or an inverse fair value gap? Okay. Is there confirmation? Okay. Scale down to the 1 minute. Is there confirmation for entry? Okay, then I enter. That's literally like what I have to do, bro. Every single fucking time. If one of these, that's literally what I have to do every single time. If one of these boxes isn't checked, it's not going to be a good trade. And then later, in the moment, I might say, oh, well, we didn't get the 1 minute confirmation, but it's fine because we got everything else. If I lose that trade, then I'm going to be like, fuck, I should have waited. I should have waited to get that 1 minute entry, and I didn't get it. And if I would have waited, I wouldn't have taken that trade and I wouldn't have lost that trade. But because I'm not following my rules and because I disrespected my rules, I took the trade regardless, even though it didn't fit my strategy, and I lost. So now there's two different types of losses. If I would have followed all of these and I lost the trade, okay, it just didn't work. But if I didn't follow these and I lost the trade, then it's like, okay, I lost because I didn't follow my rules. Not because my strategy doesn't work, but because I didn't follow my rules. So big difference there between those two things. That's basically all I really want to talk about in this video, because I think I'm going to post another video today, and I really do appreciate all the comments I've been getting, all the support, everything, bro. But guys, like, these are all the comments I've been getting, bro. Like, all these comments, bro. And I've been liking most of them, replying to most of them. And I appreciate you if you comment, if you like, if you subscribe, because literally, look, I'm going to find this comment. Keep going, bro. Don't stop posting. Let all these posts not only be for us to see the journey, but for you as well. This is what I replied, but I'll go more into detail. Yeah, man, that's why I started. Yes, I want people to see and to learn, but low-key, I'm doing it for me. It helps me stay in the right mindset and hold myself accountable. And what I mean by that is, obviously, I want you guys to be better traders and to learn from my journey. Whenever you're watching this, you're probably watching this like a year after I post it, once I'm actually like profitable and doing other things. The reason why you're here, right? I do it because not only do I want to teach people, and literally, guys, I'll talk about this in another video, but I have the worst personality to become a day trader, a profitable day trader. But I'm going to show you guys that it's going to work, and that if I can do it, you can do it. Because I literally have ADHD. I've literally had to go to therapy when I was a kid for anger management because I couldn't control my emotions, and I would literally always be fighting in school. I was a badass kid, bro. Like, I really regret it. I feel bad for my parents, bro. Like, I swear, like, I remember some things, and like, it's like, damn, bro, disown me, bro, damn near. But yeah, guys, I really think anybody is capable of doing it. And I'm going to show you guys, because I'm literally the best example, bro, of someone that shouldn't become a profitable day trader because of my mindset. Not anymore, right? That's what I'm changing, and that's what I've been changing and changed already. My lack of being able to control emotions, my anger management, everything, bro. My ADHD, which literally doesn't let me stop thinking, right? Like, my brain's always firing on all fucking 16 fucking cylinders, bro. Damn it, I know I keep saying I want to stop cursing, and I keep cursing, bro. I always pray to God to let me make this come true. Like I said, not only for myself, but to show you guys that you can literally do anything, because I'm probably the worst candidate to become a profitable day trader. But I'm going to make it happen, guys. I believe that 100% with my heart. And if it's God's will, I'm going to get it done. But I'm literally not going to ever stop trying, bro. I'm never going to settle. Never, bro. I do not want to live a regular life and let the system take advantage of me, bro. Damn, I forgot I'm on this screen, bro. Fuck it, whatever. Now we're not on that screen. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys staying to the end of this video. Like I said before, Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Whatever you want to say in the comments, I'll reply to you, man. Unless you're like a keyboard warrior. By the way, guys, because someone commented this the other day, and I feel like, yes, it's kind of not clear, especially when you see my video and it's like day 39. Bro, I've not been trading for 39 days, bro. I've been trading for almost 4 years. I just started doing it right. That's the only difference. I just started doing it right. Because, yeah, when I started, literally, it was a trap. I made so much fucking money. Shit. Fuck. Damn, I need to stop cursing. Okay, I made so much money in a short amount of time that opened my eyes to what is possible in this world and in the financial markets and everything in relations to trading, crypto, day trading, whatever, investing, right? So I got trapped because I made money at the beginning. That's how I expected the rest of the time being to go. And that is absolutely not the case. But like I said, been trading for a while, just started doing it the right way, and I'm 100% committed to doing this, and I'm never stopping. I'm never stopping, bro. You guys are going to watch me become a profitable day. If it takes me 10, 20 years, I don't care, bro. I literally don't care. This is what I'm doing, bro. This is what I'm doing. Like I've said again today, I'm doing this for me and for you. But right now, I'm mostly doing it for me because I need to be able to see myself actually do the things that I say I'm going to do. You guys could join me on this journey. You don't have to just be watching. You can do whatever the hell it is that you want to do right now. Start with me, bro. Doesn't have to be trading, whatever it is that you want to get into. Just start, man, and do it right. Do it right the first time. My dad always taught me this, and I experience it every day, almost every day. The lazy man works twice, because if you don't do something right the first way, you're going to have to do it again, and you're going to have to do it again until you do it right. So just do it right the first time, and you won't have to be repeating the process over and over and over again. Okay, ending the video here. Thanks for watching, guys.